Hey Rush fam, so I'm in the area. The rain is drawing a little bit, but I'm passing one Belmont. Very luxurious commercial development right here in Kingston, right here on Belmont Road. So I'm gonna set up the drone. I'm gonna give you guys a quick update in terms of the progress of the construction. Did a video like 7 months ago. So I'm gonna show you guys a little bit of what's happening. Alright, so as I mentioned, just a quick update for you guys. For the much longer video, I'll put the link for that. In the longer video as well, which I'll link in the comments, you'll be able to see what the finished look will be like and see much more details in terms of the completion project. So I'll put that in the comments, the link for that video that I did about 7 months ago. Because I don't want to make this video too long, so we're just doing a quick update. I think they reach at least 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, probably around 10 floors they reach now. So Sygnus Real Estate Group is the developer. I think another construction, a new construction is almost behind them as well. I'll try capture that one by drone. So we see the parking, the road for the parking garage going up. I think they're gonna have at least 4 floors of parking. So 1 Belmont. That's what we're looking at today. Alright guys, so a little bit of correction. So it's gonna be 9 floors in total. So I think they're almost at the 9 floors. So probably there are 7 or 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So it looks like they're at 7. So this is where we're at. Let me show you guys a quick glimpse of one of the side of the finished building. And as usual guys, remember to comment, remember to like, remember to subscribe. A lot of persons watching not subscribing, and definitely leave your comments as well, so they're in front of the Jamaica National Financial Center. Alright, so I think this will be the side portion where we're standing right now. So I think this is what we're just looking at, right, with that design right there, so we can see it. So it's that middle piece right there. Alright, let me know what you guys think about the design. Now we have ATL Automotive on Oxford Road right down there. Alright guys, so again, share your comments. Let me know what you guys think. And as usual, you know, it's Rush Boss, always bringing all the new development, new roads, new building, new apartment, new commercial development. You know, anything that's showing some or highlighting some of the progress and some of the growth in Jamaica. You know, we're gonna bring it because we love Jamaica. I love Jamaica, and when something good is happening, just want to show the whole world, not only persons in Jamaica but the whole world, what's happening. So the rain is getting a bit harder, so I'm gonna break a bit, then I set up the drone for you guys real quickly. So a quick video just showing the updates.